Hi guys, trading MESH 2022 futures, E-mini futures. So at the moment I'm short from 45.93. Looking for basically a short down to 45.73 to start off with. We've had a lot of volume data come out. We need to be a little bit careful because although we've got some volume, the internals are a bit all over. So basically the way we trade is that we want 3 out of the 4 internals to be, if we're going short, we want 3 out of the 4 internals to be bearish. So obviously we had the big move down, it's pulled back a little bit. The ad line has gone north of the blue line. What I will do at some point, I'll go through and I'll explain what all these internals are. At the moment you'll just have to bear with me. I just want to show you an opening trade basically. So at the moment we are still getting negative tick, which is good. Let me just put this in here for you. Baseline, so you can see. Oh, what happened? So at the moment we're less than -0 basically, so which is good, very good. So at the moment the market's opened 1:30. I'm going to go ahead now and put my stop loss 12 points above, which is there, which is great. We've got 2 minutes and 3.21 seconds left before the end of this candle. What we're obviously hoping for is a rollover lower. So what I'm anticipating is we're actually going to come down and retest. If I show you on here, this is the 10th of Jan, this area here, 10th and 11th of Jan. So what we're looking at is potential retest of this level basically. That is the plan. So bear with, we need to let it do its thing. Obviously there's a lot more scope to move further south as well, which is good. So obviously this is still the hour chart, hence it's only got 10 minutes and 56 seconds left, or 54 seconds left on the sheet. We go back to the 5-minute chart. You can see at the moment we are still bearish. We've broken out below this resistance or support area here, which is 45.90. What we need is we need a bit more push. We need them to get involved. We need them to get involved and start pushing the price down. So at the moment your tick value is still on the negative. You're looking at tick 570, which we obviously want it below the 0. The ad line, we're in a good position to be short for the ad line, 1928, which is great. The vol data, again, we're bearish. What we need is to break lower down here. That's exactly what we need. If it does that, we may be away for a few more few more pips gained, which will be great. I mean, 70 quid or $70 in less than 10 minutes. I ain't bad going either, to be fair, but what we're hoping for is we need to break below this line. Here we go. Hopefully this will be exactly what we need. Come on. Always get excited about setups like this when it does what you anticipate it to do. You can almost give yourself a little pat on the back. We'll just have to sit and wait now. So we've still got 3 out of the 4 internals negative, which is good. Our delta's rolling down, our volume data is still negative, and our add line is negative, which is great for this setup. We're creeping back into the territory of the 0 line tick, but I'm not sure at this moment how that's going to affect it. Taken out. So I know we could have taken $115, which would have been great, but we didn't. Life moves on, and that is that. But to be honest, if price comes back down to this 45.77 area, I'm going to enter again and see what happens, because it's making strength around this area, basically, or support around this area. So let's see what happens. You can't win them all, and there's always another trade.